on the pen or paper. These are some CBSE board questions.
So we have to say right the answer.
Yeah, verbal answering.
Okay. So will you start?
Who will start first?
I can start.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Hypermetropia is known as long-sightedness.
Okay.
It means we can't see closer things, closer object.
Yes. Right. So, which type of ray
Yeah,
diagram or which type of
convex lens. We
convex?
use convex lens so the image looks proper.
So, where does the image or the ray coming from object meets
Uh,
you
in
what?
hypermetropia, the vision goes out of the eye, making it blurred. But with convex lens,
No,
the
my
vision
question
goes
was
to the retina.
only that when rays comes from object, where do they make the image? On the retina, before the retina, after the retina?
When what's the
When
clear
yeah, when
the
the
clear
ray
image, it comes in retina
no no
using convex.
no without using the lens.
Oh yeah, method beyond.
Beyond. Okay, good. So this is the next question will be answered by whom? Who will answer the next question?
The second one.
Okay, go with the answer the second question.
So the effect is called atmospheric refraction.
It happens due to atmospheric refraction.
Action.
Okay, refraction, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what does this phenomena is being called?
So the effect I told. Now I have to state the reason, right?
Reason, phenomena, all.
The starlight entering on the Earth atmosphere undergoes refraction continuously before it reaches the Earth's surface.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, the apparent position of the star fluctuates, and the amount of starlight enters the eye flickers. So sometimes it appears bright or sometimes fainter, which
Yes,
is
right.
twinkling effect.
So in general, we call it twinkling of a star, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Right.
Yes, sir.
Who will answer the third question? Mm-hmm.
Student cannot see a chart hanging on a wall. Please at a distance of 3 feet from name the defect. Okay. Because he can't see like longer or like distance from long distances. It's called myopia, which is also called short-sightedness. It can be corrected by concave lens.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Yeah.
concave lens.
Okay. So my question is again that in myopia, where without any correction lens, where does the image forms? Where does
Before the
the
retina.
before the retina? Okay, good. So Tejasvi, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. We all are good. So today we are having some verbal question answer session. So instead of writing on the page or paper, you have to answer over here only. So you join as the fourth person. So you have to answer the question number 4. Why is the red color selected for the danger signals? Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Jocelyn, wait a second. Let her think for some time. Then I will pass it to you.
Um,
Whatever, suppose this is exams, okay, and you are going to make the teacher fool by writing some here and there thing. So how you will start? This technique you should learn how to fool the teacher to get the marks. So try to answer if you are not able to answer the incorrect way. Try to answer in the wrong way. So we should think, okay, this could be answer.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
As we know that the color red it has the highest wavelength,
Good.
so it is travel in the longest distance,
Yes.
and it is like scattered the least. No, it's
Yes.
scattered the most.
No, least if it will scattered most, it won't travel long distance.
Okay, sir.
It travel long distance without being scattered. This is the right answer.
Okay, sir.
Jaslyn, what about you? How you will add? Do you want to add anything to this question?
No, sir. It has the biggest wavelength, so it can travel the longest than
Yeah.
other color.
Okay, so
Sir, it has the lowest frequency.
yeah, so V velocity is equal to frequency time lambda, right? If velocity is constant, so frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. So it has maximum wavelength, wavelength is maximum, and frequency is just opposite of maximum. Opposite of maximum is what?
Minimum.
Minimum, right? Minimum. So for time being, if this is scattering is SCATTERI is getting 1 over lambda to the power 4, if I remember. So scattering is inversely proportional to wavelength. So wavelength is maximum. That's why scattering is minimum. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. That's why the red color is being used as danger signals. So who will answer the question number 5?
Me.
It's your turn. Okay. Yes, go ahead.
The person has hypermetropia. Yes, hypermetropia.
Okay, that's
Because
it.
because he's unable to see nearby objects. That's why.
Okay. A person cannot read newspaper is nearer to 50 centimeter from his eye. Name the defect of vision he is suffering. Myopia.
No, sir, hypermetropia.
Okay, the person cannot read a newspaper near than 50 centimeter. So he is able to see beyond the 50 centimeter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Draw the ray diagram. Question number B who will answer the question part B? Question part B. Oh, Gavita.
Sir, I have doubt. Can our eyes live after our death or not?
So you means that after our death, the
Yeah.
function of eye. Okay. So it is like that if you have some plants. Okay. It is like some plants. When you are moving somewhere, what you do? You just, before it die, you just take it from the earth, keep in a pot, and then transfer to the neighbor or needy person. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
in this mechanism, it is the same. If a person is ill or critically ill and he is about to die, that organ is not dead. So in that case, it is being operated and removed and kept in with some proper arrangements. So, and it is being used within some certain hours. Okay, it is not being kept for a month or week. It is just removed from one person and being added to the another person. So as you will add with nerves, okay, it will start working again. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we see advertisement for eye donation on television or newspaper. See such type of question na, it is now the customs in the exams. Right, importance of such advertisement. What could be your response?
To
Mm,
create awareness among people, and they can also try to do
mm,
some stuff for eye donation to
mm.
help people.
Okay. Yes, the main purpose is awareness, right? So we have, oh, where is the sixth question? We are only on the seventh. So answer the seventh question. Who will, Jasleen? Who will answer the seventh question? Jasleen?
Some 3.
Okay, go ahead.
Some myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia.
Mhm.
Myopia can be corrected with uh, concave lens.
Okay,
Hypermetropia, convex lens.
okay,
And the presbyopia by bifocal lens.
yes,
Bifocal lens.
okay, right. Who will answer the part B? Who will answer the part B? Tejasvi, will you try?
Mm. Yes, sir.
No. Who will answer this? About 45 lakh people in developing country are suffering from corneal blindness. About 30 lakh children below Etna suffering from this defect. This defect can be cured by replacing the defective cornea with cornea of a donated eye. How and why can a student of your age involve themselves to create awareness in the fact about this fact among the people? This is in 2014. So I am saying that this such type of question is now the trends to make aware, to spread the awareness. So you should prepare yourself. Maybe in your schools or in board examination, such question may arise. So this is not a very tough question. You may try. So who will try? Rizwan, will you make
Yes,
some
ma'am.
statements? Yeah.
People can donate their eye,
Hmm.
like in their old age. Like if they have like a
No, no,
guarantee
no,
to
no.
die.
There is no any limitation of donate. If you wish to donate, okay,
Yeah.
you can register yourself anywhere
Hmm.
at any time. So whenever it will be situation, if if your family member, someone will make it aware, make the note to them. Okay, they will come and they will select the part at the any time of it in any age. There is no need of old age. Okay,
You,
go ahead.
no, I'm saying if a person has guarantee to of death, they can just donate their eye, right?
Everyone will die.
Yeah, everyone will die.
Mhm.
That's why I said old people or the people who have guarantee to die.
Any people of any age of any if
Yeah,
the
any
people
age.
of in any age have requirement and there is availability,
Yeah.
they will get benefited of it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 8.
Sir, I heard that people when they die, they can still donate their organs. It works like that. Like, does it work? Like people die, then
Mhm.
they take the organs, right?
Right. I think there may be some limitation or time periods because
Okay.
after the collapse, most of the body part stop working. So
Yes.
there may be some certain duration of time.
Mm.
Yeah.
So at that time, can they like donate heart because heart stops working, right? So I don't think they can donate heart.
Maybe we have to ask some medical professionals.
Yes.
Okay, the next question, 981. We'll answer the eighth question. Tejasvi,
So we have to make diagram.
I know you can make the diagram verbally as well. Jaslyn, okay, answer.
When the sun is rising at the horizon, to be scattered properly because it's at the horizon. So the only the light that has longer wavelength will be able to reach our eyes. So because red has the longest wavelength, we're able to see, and because of the atmospheric scattering, we're able to see red light.
Right, right. So there is also some delays in actual sunrise or sunset. Are you aware of it? We see the sunset or sunset after 2 minutes, till after 2 minutes of actual sunset, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
What does that phenomena is being known?
Atmospheric refraction.
That's called advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. It's about 2 minutes. This also because of atmospheric pressure. You are right, but that called delayed and advanced sunset or sunrise. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the next question will be answered by Tejasvi.
Sir,
Hmm.
so the question number 8, we have it's omitted, right?
It's omitted.
Yeah, because our school said colors of sunrise and sunset are omitted.
There are a number of things being omitted from NCRT. They have removed the book to the garbage. Okay. From 12th, I noticed today, even entire digital electronics is being omitted. If people want to study that thing in class 12, then when they will study. They are removing n number of things. I was at NCRT headquarters for some interview. They asked me about the Archimedes principle. They said that should we remove this Archimedes principle? I said, no, why you are hurry and why you are removing it? So they said that just to make the book thinner, less burden. So I asked them where you will teach these theory or concept to the student. They said somewhere. I asked where somewhere. Where where the platform you will teach them. They were speechless. I don't know why they are removing this much content. Do you think it logical? I don't think it's logical. Okay. Tejasvi, you have to answer question number 9. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Uh, uh, when we keep two glass prisms together, the first prism where the white light enters, it it comes into a 7 colors.
Hmm.
And when it fell, the white light fell to the second prism, and when it like comes out from the prism, it comes into a white light again.
Okay. So what you want to say? The white light is made up of 7 color.
Yeah, 7 color components.
Okay, and 7 colors again merged to the single light.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Who will answer the next question? But the question is that why it doesn't produce a glass prism is able to produce the spectrum of when white light is passed through it, but a glass slab does not produce. The question is this. Question is, acha, you answered the question number A, right?
I will answer B.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Because of that uh, glass prism, the pyramid shape, I think it lets to make a spectrum.
Okay.
But the glass slab glass slab can't because um it doesn't makes one makes it like a pyramid.
So you mean that the prism is able to bend the light, okay, but glass slab can't, right?
Yes.
But there is also bending now. When light comes from one rare medium to denser medium, it bends toward the normal. Bending is over there, right? Bending is also over there.
I mean, glass slab is like mixed of two prism, right?
You may say like that. That is it. But prism, the structure of prism is totally different with the glass slab.
No, if we make one like upwards and one like downwards,
Hmm.
so it will again change the prism will change the white light to the um, seven lights, then it will again change it to the white light.
But I think you guys have to do our homework. Okay. I'm not satisfied because prism and glass slab is totally different.
Yes,
You can't compare. So I request you to have our homework on this question, right? If a glass slab is like this, so you can't make it like this. Even a thin glass slab, very thin glass slab. So I think you have to do a research on it. Okay. So Govita, will you answer the question number 6?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So while light passes through an atmosphere, tiny air molecules cause it to scatter. Violet and blue light are most scattered light. So
Violet and blue, yes, right.
more than the red light. So the sky appears blue during the daytime.
Okay, right. Good. So it is the same reason that wavelength of the blue light is less. So there is more scattering, right?
So should I say the next one also?
Of course, why not?
There is no light in atmosphere. The light does not scatter to its constituent color. So the sky appears dark instead of blue to the astronaut.
Right. So now I'm putting some question, but it is from. Let's see which part it is. This is also from human eyes. And so the next chapter we practice was human eyes, right? We revised this chapter as well last time.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So you take the screenshot of the previous part as well. If you know every question, that's okay. Otherwise, you must have to take the screenshot. So you practice those questions in the written way to maximize your marks. This is also another test. The verbal test, it is again the verbal test. Who will answer the question number 1? Rizwan, first question goes to you.
What name the transparent membrane through which the light enters? Is it wait is it cornea?
Who will favor? Who is in support? Who is in opposition? Is cornea or is something else?
It's cornea, sir.
Is cornea? Okay. So question number 2, Govita.
Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil.
Diaphragm. I'm asking the function of iris.
Iris also.
Are you answering the iris?
Yes, sir. Sir, I thought.
That's the so answer this. This is the black part of eyes that allows or that control the intensity of light, that how much light should get inside the eyes. Oh, why I'm answering?
Yes, sir.
You have to answer. That's black part which allows the light to get inside the eyes. That's called the iris, na?
Yes, sir. The amount of light that enters into our retina.
Mm-hmm. Retina is the different thing. First, it will get inside the eyes. Okay, that's the iris. Iris will decide how much light should get inside the eye. And Tejasvi, will you answer the question number 3?
Sir, can I do the question number 4?
Okay, do.
The Tyndall effect is the phenomenon by which the collide particles scatter light.
Okay. What do you mean by the colloidal particle?
The colloidal particles, like the
Who will answer the what we mean by the colloidal particle? Is water is the colloidal particle?
Yes, sir, it
yes,
is.
sir.
Water, how can you say that water is a colloidal particle?
Mm,
Uh,
like water fountain, you can say.
No, no.
Or like
Colloidal
just in
matter.
glass, just in
Ah,
glass.
Tejasvi, you are saying something?
No, sir.
Gabita, you are saying something.
sir, when we mix water and milk, we will get a colloidal solution.
Yes, yes. Because in the colloidal solution, there will be some molecules who's having little more dimension, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Because of that, there is two type of liquid over there. One water and another is a mixture of milk. So you can't say that only water is the colloidal part, colloidal liquid. Okay, so that's the Tyndall effect. Who will answer the question number 3? Persistence of vision. No one? So write it down as homework.
Persistence.
Persistence of vision,
Sir,
right?
is it like I don't know.
It's like keep it as
Says
home.
so is it like when like uh, we like see light, like
Mhm.
if we watch the tube light for like for like just little long time, so when
Mhm.
we close eyes we can just imagine it's like we feel that it's over there.
Yeah, persistence means that if someone is gone, okay, someone was sitting with you and he is gone or she is gone, and you still feel his or her presence. That's called the persistence of light or vision. So again, this is the homework. You guys go and read your book and find out the answer, right? This is the 5th question. This is very important, I think, hot question.
Sir, the image formed on the retina is inverted, but when the message is received to the brain by the optic nerve, it
Mhm.
is interpreted as erect by the brain.
Yes. So there is also a concept of cone and rod, right? Rod, cone is like this type of structure, right? And rod is like this type of structure. Have you heard about these two things? Maybe deleted. NCRT has deleted a lot of things. So cone is responsible for the color, and color vision comes from cones, and red is responsible for some more thing. I don't remember. So you also, if you have time, search the cone and rod. What does cone and rod do? Clear? Who will answer the question number 6?
Sir, I think I understand the third one.
Okay, so will you answer it again?
Yeah. So when we move our hand fast, just like moving our hand fast, we
Mhm.
feel like the hand is like double,
Yes,
right? So we see I think like we see the vision for a little time while our hand is just not there.
yes, right.
So that's the vision of
It's
the
persistency.
persistence of vision.
Yes.
Yeah.
Move to the next question. What is night blindness or color blindness? I think answering the color blindness is easier. So who will answer? Tejasvi, will you answer the color blindness?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
When the person lacks cone cells in
Hmm.
retina, so
Mhm.
they can't see the difference between the colors.
Mhm.
So it is known as the color blindness.
So which type of color he or she will see?
Um,
Matlab
grayish, black.
means that if there is apples, crabs, onion, brinjal, orange. So how they will differentiate, or which color they will be, he or she will be able to see? If there are different type of fruits and vegetables, so how they will differentiate? They will be able to see the black color or gray color image only?
Sir, it depends because some people have different kinds of color blindness.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, this happens with the animals or the birds, right?
Yes.
Because animal and birds, they are not able to see the colorful world. They have some selected cones only. So distinguish between the, yeah, this question is a repeated question. Draw the Venn diagram of eye. This is also an important question. Okay, 7, 8 is very important question. Okay, so are you aware of rainbow formation, or it is again deleted?
No, sir,
Remember
it's there.
No, so it's there.
Okay, so how the rainbow forms? Can you draw the diagram? First is diffraction, then reflection, and then again refraction. Remember, this is the water drop. So light comes, then again here it will hit, and it will hit it again, and then it will come back. So refraction, reflection, refraction. There was this There was such a figure in NCERT book, remember?
Yes, sir.
So this is the phenomena of rainbow formation. So how many reflection or refraction is over there?
Two refractions happen.
So explain the phenomena. Also explain the phenomena. How you will explain the phenomena?
It happens in the water droplets when white light is the incident ray. So
Mhm.
when it enters the water droplet, it gets refracted and then into
So if
the
it's properly say, it get first refraction at the air water interface, right? It get first refraction at air water interface. This is air and this is water. So first reflection is at air water interface. And second reflection is at water surface. This is the water surface, right? Within the water bubble or water bubble, yeah, water liquid drop or water drop or water bubble. Then again, the third at again water air surface. So will you try again? Who was speaking? Who was
so just
okay, just
um, the white light is incidented on the raindrop from air to water and it gets refracted and then it disperses disperses and then it gets reflected internally, then it refracts out of the water droplet into the air and it comes like the vibgyor,
okay, right.
the
That is rainbow. So the question is being asked about the rainbow, na? So instead of saying Vibgyor or something, you first say the rainbow, and then you may state that rainbow has 7 colors called Vibgyor. That will be the, I think, most appropriate way to answer, right?
Okay, sir.
So this 10th question is also important question, and I think we have explained it well. Okay, any doubt, any suggestions? So next time we will be doing electricity and magnetic effect of electric current. We will be doing question answers like this only. Okay. Once we will do long or short answer question, then we already did some MCQs, right? We'll do MCQs, then there will be case-based question, and then reason and assertion is important. So either we will be doing reason or assertion of this chapter next Saturday, right? Reason and assertion is also tricky. So we have to practice it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think this colorful world, and colorful world is we covered in good manner, right? We did a lot of question, I think 20-30 question we solved. So next day we will be doing few reason and assertion question on the same topic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then enjoy. If you have to ask, if you have any doubt, you may ask.
Sir, can I ask the difference in that?
What?
That question, glass prism and glass slab.
Last question.
That glass prism and glass slab question.
Okay. Glass slab. Slab means, see, slab is just it may be the long or the very thin. Okay, very thin. So here is one interface, air and glass. Sometimes only one interface, and then air again. So prism is made at a certain angle as well. There is also air and glass interface, but it is being carved at some certain angles. Because of that, light refract in a particular manner that can't happen in the glass slab. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason. If you will take the example of diamond. So diamond is being cut in some particular angle, 22 or 22 point something. Because of that, there is internal reflection, right? Because of internal reflections, it gives us different type of shine. So the way you were comparing, I don't think it's logical. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the reason. So again, you read and come to the conclusion